Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are just starting class 9, then stop everything you are doing because the game has officially changed. The new NCERT books for the session 26-27 are finally out, and they are not just a reprint. We are looking at some massive shifts in science and math. So basically, I have spent the morning and analyzing your new science book, that is Exploration. Actually, in this book, some parts are very exciting while others are going to require a lot more focus from us. So let's dive into what's new so you can start your year ahead of the curve. So let's go to the content. Let's talk about the index. So actually, traditionally, we always started off with chemistry, that is matter in our surrounding, right? But not anymore. Actually, NCERT has now placed biology in the very beginning. So after a quick introductory चैप्टर 1, that is exploration. Actually ये जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है exploration, इस चैप्टर में कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है, बस ये जो टोटल 13 चैप्टर का समरी है. एक्चुअली 12 चैप्टर का समरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर में दिया गया है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो coming into the second chapter, that is biology, cell, the building block of life. So why does this matter? It means your first term is going to be very memory intensive and diagram heavy. So following bio, we move into physics, that is describing motion around us, and finally into chemistry. So also keep an eye on the chapter exploring mixtures and their separation. It has been updated with much more detail than the older version. Actually, here is where it gets serious. NCERT has moved some heavy duty topics down from the class 10 into your class 9 syllabus, like reproduction, how life continues, patterns in life, that is diversity, and classification. Actually, the chapter reproduction, class 10 students used to find so important, which is now the part of class 9 journey. Next, pattern in life. Actually, this is the new name for the diversity and classification. For those who don't know, this was once removed, but it's back now. Because actually it's a tough chapter, because it has many scientific names and categories. But don't worry, we'll make a special cheat sheet for you. So if you want to score 90 plus this year, you need to understand how the style of the book has changed. Actually, you should focus some points like HOTS as the new normal. Actually, 80% of your exercise questions are now high order thinking skills. So you won't find direct define these questions as much. You will get case based scenario, CBQ scenario. Next, experiment focus. So there are more activities and experiments listed. So when you study a concept, don't just read the definition, read the experiment, because that's where the exam questions will come from. Then third most important, the 11th grade. Actually, the curriculum is now designed to prepare you for class 11. They have added depth so that the jump to the senior secondary doesn't feel a shock later on. So I know it feels like a lot, especially since the SST books are still on their way. But being the first batch to study the new syllabus is actually an advantage. So you are learning the most updated modern science. So don't worry about that. Don't take so much stress. So we will cover all these chapters in upcoming videos. So till then, tata, bye bye, and have a nice day. Thank you.